Ever feel like your car's interior is a mess no matter how often you clean it? Let's change that, today. Welcome to Rev and Shift, where car care meets confidence. I'm your host, and in this episode, I'm diving into interior car detailing that'll make your ride feel brand new. Step 1. Declutter and vacuum. Start by pulling out all the loose stuff, trash, gym bags, whatever's hiding under the seat. Then grab your vacuum and go to town. Floors, mats, seats, under the pedals, don't forget the seams. A brush attachment works wonders for loosening up that stubborn dirt. Next up, clean your surfaces. I always use a pH-neutral interior cleaner. Just spray it on your microfiber cloth, not directly on the dash. Wipe your dashboard, door panels, even the center console in little circles for a streak-free finish. Trust me, this makes all the difference. Now let's talk seats. If you've got fabric, grab a foaming upholstery cleaner and work it in with a soft brush. For leather, use a dedicated conditioner with UV protection. This keeps your seats looking fresh and actually helps them last longer. Don't skip the glass windows, and mirrors need some love too. Spray your cleaner on a microfiber towel and wipe in a Z pattern for a streak-free shine. It's all about those crystal clear views. Here's a bonus tip: odor neutralizer and a good air freshener. Spritz inside the vents, then pop your favorite scent in place. Your car shouldn't just look fresh, it should smell fresh too. From chaotic to clean in just under an hour, that's the power of proper care. Because when your car feels good inside, so do you. Like and subscribe for weekly car care tips.